Python is the undisputed leader in AI development. Its simple syntax makes it faster than languages like Java. It's the perfect choice for machine learning. Unlock the future with Python. Many languages can build software, but for AI, Python stands out because it's easier to learn, easier to write, and faster to develop with. Python's simple syntax lets developers focus on AI concepts instead of spending time writing complicated code. Python has the world's most popular AI libraries. These tools help developers build machine learning and deep learning applications much faster. From chatbots to self-driving cars, Python powers many of the AI systems used by companies around the world. If you want to learn artificial intelligence, machine learning, or data science, Python is the best place to start. Welcome to the world of AI. Let's explore the future together. Follow CoderJet for more AI content.